Hi, I'm Brent with Kansas Hydrographics.
And I'm Jim from K2 Concepts. What we're doing today, we're shooting remote from Kansas. And we're doing a series of videos on some new films that Brent wanted to introduce. He usually tries to do about one a week. So you're going to see these these videos over the next couple weeks as he introduces these new films. We're just ending up our first remote training session. I've been here since Wednesday. Flying out today, but it's Sunday. But before we left, we thought we'd shoot a couple of videos about these new films that he's pretty excited, and I like them. I mean, this one really, we've done a green flame, blue flame, hex, gold carbon fiber, and Brent has this. This is a diamond plate, but it's got a brushed look to it. You guys will see it once he gets it on the water. It's a pretty robust film. This is a meter.
This is a full meter.
This is a full meter film, so you can do larger parts. I'm looking forward to seeing it. We're going to do it over white to see how it looks, see if it stretches at all or whatever. But Brent's doing the work today.
A metallic silver would probably, be a little more desirable. We always just go from dip to white or black, just so we can really see what the film has to offer instead of what we're getting out of the base coat. So
it's not wrinkling up on itself at all. That's nice. So anyhow, 90-degree water, 60-second soak time, 2 passes with Hydrographics, and let's see what it looks like over white. If you're really going to test a film, test it over white. Get yourself a speed shape, dip it over white. That'll show you where it's going to stress. It may not be your best look, but at least you're testing it and you're seeing how it's going to perform on curves, and you're seeing if you're going to have any pattern degradation or breakdown. I suggest get yourself a bunch of white speed shapes and try some films first before you start throwing color down. Anyhow, how long do we got?
20 seconds.
20 seconds. Again, Brent carries these on his website. If you guys want something in the way of films, contact Brent, because he may have it and just not have it up on his website. So it's ready to go. Looks good. Yeah, I like that. See how it's got the streaks in here? The brushed aluminum look on top of the diamond plate? Yeah, I think maybe with a
silver would be
really silver
neat.
Would be much, I mean, obviously look better, but would really look nice. It'd have to depend on the silver. I don't know if you'd want a real dark one, but I definitely think that's going to look good.
Yeah, at least you guys can see what it has and to offer there.
And it's a full meter, so you can do larger parts. If you guys are looking at ATVs, or maybe maybe cabinetry in some of these motorhomes and stuff like that, they use diamond plate. This might be a good way to go. Good look. Anyhow, that's it. We're going to shoot some more. Get a hold of Brent at, what's your order site?
My email is orders@kansashydrographics.com.
And you have an 800 number on the website?
On the website, there's an 888 number. You can call me direct.
And he is the sponsor on the forum, k2forums.com. So, by far one of the largest, if not the largest now, hydrographics website out there for your forums. He's a sponsor on the forum. Join us there, k2forums.com. Or you can email me at k2forums@gmail.com. That's k2forums@gmail.com. And that's it for this one. A little Corona for the haters. And hope you're having a good day dipping. Talk to you later.